Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for the latest tips and tricks for VPN setups and secure browsing, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Phison server and set it up on HTTP custom for a secure web connection. It's a straightforward process and I'll guide you through every step. Also, if you're new here, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video so you never miss an update. Alright, let's dive in. To get started, open up any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type in UDP and slow DNS files and hit enter. Look for the official website in the search results and click on it. This will take you straight to their homepage. Once you're on the homepage, look for the menu icon. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of the page. Click on this hamburger icon to open up the menu list. Now, in the expanded menu, scroll through the options until you find Phison server. Click on it, and this will take you to the location page where you'll set up your server. On the location page, go ahead and select the server location you want. After clicking on your chosen location, a 10-second countdown timer will appear. Just wait for it to complete, and your server will be created. Once the countdown is done, look for the copy option. Click on this to copy the server details to your clipboard. Now these details are ready to be used in the HTTP custom app. Next, open your device's app store. In the search bar, type in HTTP custom and locate it in the search results. Tap on the app, then click install to download it. Once the installation is complete, tap open to launch HTTP custom. Now that you're in the app, you'll see the home screen. What you need to do is check the box labeled Phison. This will enable Phison for the app. Next, look at the top of the app screen and click on the plugin icon to open a small settings window. In the settings window, select Phison settings to open a new page. Here you'll see an option called Target Server Entry. Tap on this and paste the server details you copied earlier from the Phison website. Now scroll down to the Protocol List option. You can either add the specific protocol you want or leave it set to all for broader compatibility. Once everything is set up, go back to the main page of the app. You're now ready to connect. Tap the Connect button, and after a few moments, you'll be securely connected using your Phison server. And that's it. You're now set up with a Phison server on HTTP custom, ensuring a secure and reliable browsing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Stay secure online.